Hi everybody, Mark from AMES. Today we're going to talk about a cleaning adapter and how we can clean out the top part or the head of the Bazooka. The first thing we want to do is take our gate valve and place it right on the edge of the push rod assembly. So it's this part right here. We'll turn the key here basically to empty it out. And we see the disengaging pin forward, that way we know the tool is empty of joint compound. Now at this point, we've got this neat product called a cleaning nozzle adapter. And there's two of them in a kit, okay? And what they do is they thread onto a hose nozzle. So we got our hose attached, hose nozzle, this threads in, it has an O-ring, and what we'll do is we'll just place this on the filler nozzle of the tool and then purge, water. And I like to purge it, kind of do it 3 or 4 times, and it just cleans out the head. We won't push back our cable. So it's a neat little tool that you can use to clean out, keep yourself dry, hose nozzle adapter. Thanks.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.